Hello my friend, it is good to see you and welcome to episode number 2 of Quick Tip Tuesdays, where we will be discussing this one thing that'll make you a better video editor, and that, my friend, is cutting to the beat of the music. This is one simple thing that will make your edit so much stronger and so much more compelling to the viewer. Take a look at this example here where the video is not cut to the beat of the music at all, and just take note of how you feel about this video. Alright, now that I've shown you a clip that isn't cut at all to the beat of the music, take a look at this one that is just slightly off. It's just slightly off of cutting to the beat of the music, and take note of how it makes you feel. And now we're going to take a look at an example where this video is cut exactly to the beat of the music and see how it makes the edit so much stronger. Cutting to the beat of the music is a very simple editing technique that can really improve your videos a lot. It'll really make your edits stronger and your video more compelling to your audience. This is also a great way to control pacing in your video and control the tone of your video. Maybe you want something that's very exciting. You should choose a song that has a lot of beats per minute, that's very energetic, that you can make very fast cuts to. But let's say you want something very emotional, very dramatic. You want to pick a slower song where your shots can be longer and you're able to really control the tone of your video. If you haven't been doing this already, I encourage you to give it a try and see how cutting to the beat of music affects your edit and how it can make you a stronger editor when you implement this technique. If you enjoyed this, please give me a like and be sure to subscribe to see more of my content and ring-a-ding that bell to get notified when said content comes out. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.